First, I would like to call upon Shri Shanti Chandrika Garu on behalf of Varaveena Music Academy, founded in 2012 with the vision Learn, Practice, Perform, a dedicated institution committed to nurturing musical excellence. The Academy provides comprehensive training to students for university music examinations, competitions, and stage performances. Many of its students have successfully completed certificate, diploma, BA, and MA degrees in music, reflecting the strong academic foundation provided here. Beyond music, the Academy also teaches Bhagavatam, helping students connect with and appreciate India's rich cultural and spiritual heritage. A proud achievement is that several students have gone on to establish their own music schools, carrying forward this tradition of learning. Students of Varaveena have performed both vocal and Veena concerts on prestigious platforms across sacred and cultural centers such as Annavaram, Udupi, Srisailam, Bhadrachalam, Guruvayur, Ahobilam, Arunachalam, and Ananta Padmanabha Swami Temple, Trivandrum. The Academy is also blessed to have initiated the Annamacharya Jayanti. The most unique thing about Varaveena Music Academy is they have created a musical drama on Adi Shankaracharya called Parivrajaka in 2023 and 25, and at prominent venues including Shankar Mats. They will be doing it soon in Sringeri. It is a beautiful musical drama done by Akka and her students. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే అది షో కనుక జరిగితే హైదరాబాద్లో, I would say do not miss it for anything. With its holistic approach, Varaveena Music Academy continues to inspire, educate, and preserve the essence of Indian classical music and culture. Thank you so much, Akka, for your support and all the students. Namaskaram. Next, I would request Srimati Kameshwari Mokirala. We already have a lot of fan following for Akka. A dedicated Carnatic vocalist, vocalist teacher with over 2 decades of experience in nurturing musical talent. Trained under esteemed gurus in Palakulu, Vijayawada and Hyderabad, she holds a MA in music from Potti Sriramulu Telugu University. She is the founder of Sri Sharda Ramana Sangeeta Vidyalayam in Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, where she has trained hundreds of students in vocal music, guiding them through performances, competitions, and formal music examinations. She also teaches globally through online platforms. An active performer, she has presented numerous concerts across the Telugu states and contributed to devotional albums. She has played a leading role in prestigious events like Annamaya Sahasra Galarchana for 3 consecutive years. Deeply committed to preserving tradition, she organizes annual celebrations such as Tyagaraja Aradhana and promotes cultural practices like Bommala Koluvu and Gobbillu among students. Alongside her musical journey, she is actively involved in spiritual learning. Guided by the motto, always be cheerful, she continues to inspire through music, culture, and community service. Thank you so much, Akka. And to all the students of Sri Sharda Ramana Sangeeta Vidyalayam. Next, I would request Srimati Sita Mahalakshmi Garu onto the stage, representing Mahavadi School of Music. The Mahavadi School of Music, founded by Vidwan Mahavadi Vasu Vishwanatha Shastri, stands as a center of excellence in Carnatic music. Vasu Shastri, an All India radio graded artist, is widely admired for the brilliance as violinist, vocalist, and composer. His accolades includes the Swara Brahma Award. Of course, we are now inviting his mother, Sita Mahalakshmi Garu, to represent, because she is the one who has taught the violin, the Nottu Swarams to the students. So Vasu Garu, ఇంత పెద్ద వయలినిస్ట్ హైదరాబాద్లో అయ్యారు అంటే దానికి మూల కారణం వాళ్ళ అమ్మగారు శ్రీమతి సీతా మహాలక్ష్మి గారు. తన ఒక్క కొడుకే కాకుండా చాలామందిని వాసులాగా చూడాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో ఆ కళ తొందరలో నెరవేరాలని మహావాది స్కూల్ ఆఫ్ మ్యూజిక్ నుంచి చాలామంది వోకలిస్ట్, వయలినిస్ట్ రావాలని కోరుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అమ్మా. నమస్కారం. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ వుడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ రేవతి మ్యామ్ టు కమ్ ఆన్ టు ద డయాస్ ప్లీజ్. శ్రీమతి రేవతి గారు సుబ్బస్వామి గారి, కమలమ్మ గారి ప్రథమ పుత్రిక. తమ సుబ్బలక్ష్మి గారి దగ్గర సరిగమలు నేర్చుకున్నారు. తర్వాత 45 సంవత్సరాలుగా సంగీతం, వయలిన్ విద్యలో ఎంతోమంది విద్యార్థులకు శిక్షణ ఇచ్చారు. మధురై, చెన్నై, విశాఖపట్నం, విజయవాడ, కాశీ విశ్వనాథ టెంపుల్లో కూడా కచేరీలు చేశారు. మహతి ఆర్ట్ అకాడమీ, భారతీయ ఆర్ట్ అకాడమీ వారి సంస్థలో లలితా పరమేశ్వరి టెంపుల్లో చాలా కచేరీలు చేశారు. ఆ ఏజ్లో కూడా మా ఇంటికి వచ్చి రిహార్సల్ సెషన్స్ అన్నింటిలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి పిల్లలందరికీ కూడా ఒక ఎనర్జీని ఇచ్చి, ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇమ్మెన్స్ వర్క్ అమ్మా. సో ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ టు సీ యూ అండ్ మీట్ యూ. Thank you so much for being part of this Notisvarams project. Namaskaram. Next, I would request Lalita Parameshwari Garu to come on to the dais. Inka gattiga. వినిపించట్లేదు. Srimati Lalita Parameshwari Garu is a dedicated Carnatic music teacher and performer with over 25 years of rich experience in the field of music education. She holds a diploma from Potti Sriramulu Telugu University. With a deep passion for teaching, she has trained numerous students both offline and offline. She has served as a music faculty at Aurobindo Bhavan Junior College and is currently nurturing young talent at Vignan World One School. Her dedication to teaching students of all age groups with patience and passion truly makes her an inspiring guru in the field of Carnatic music. Thank you, Amma. She's the one from beginning of the project nunchi anni live classes attend ayyi pillallandartho kuda maato toduga unnaru. Thank you so much. Now I would request Srimati K. Suvarna Garu to come on to the dais. Come on, where are the students of Suvarna, ma'am? You have to show, you have to do Saraswati Sangeeta Sikshanalayam at Padmanabha Nagar. So she is a disciple of Srimati Pratima Shashidhar Garu. K. Suvarna Garu has completed her MA in music and she is now actively teaching and she's మాకు చాలా పెద్ద సపోర్ట్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో కూడా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ హియర్ సువర్ణ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. నౌ ఐ వుడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ జయలహరి గారు. శ్రీమతి జయలహరి is a dedicated Carnatic vocalist right from her childhood. She is committed to preserve the purity of the music form while making classical music approachable to the modern learner. She began her musical journey under the guidance of Kulapati Indrakanti Venkata Lakshmana Shastri Garu, founder of Sangeeta Janakulam Vishakhapatnam, and now continuing the remarkable journey under the direction of Dr. Pucha Venkata Subbalakshmi Srinivas Garu, founder of Swararaga Jhari Sangeeta Kala Samstha Vishakhapatnam. She established a musical institution named Sri Vagdevi Sangeeta Nidhi. Since the inception, she has encouraged many students to understand this musical form with her tailored techniques for the beginners. Thank you so much, Lahari Garu, for being a strong support to today's program. Sushmita Garu is working as a classical Carnatic music teacher in musical Kokapet, and she has encouraged so many students to learn in a very short span of time. Thank you so much for being a strong support.